Nigerians can now go to South Africa without passports. Eh? Where are those people shouting pereperes? We don't want Nigeria in our country. Nigerians are powder seller. Nigerians are the ones spoiling our children, our younger ones. We don't want them. Nigeria, go back to your country. Go and stay in your country and develop your country. Your government is now begging us to come to South Africa. To come to your country. Like... Hear from the horse's mouth, oh, I did say, hear your president.
Sectors of the economy. We look forward to seeing more Nigerian companies investing in South Africa. In fact, we want to see Nigerian products on the shelves of South African shops. Our effort.
Okay, that's it. I'm moving to South Africa. I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. We're brothers. We're brothers. I'm moving. Woo! The South African government have done, if you can't beat them, you join them. They realize the economy is shambles. They can't beat the superpower of Nigeria, so they are joining. You guys should be lucky you don't have Nigeria trying to visit that your dead country, bro. That your country that is a deep hole. Your country is like a cramped fist jungle. You should be lucky that you have Nigerians with their money trying to come and invest in your country. You should be begging us, bro. Keep your ego aside. We all know your boys are broke. We are the big boys. You guys are the peasants. Yeah? Stay in your lane, bro. Stay in your lane. Bug off.
Oh, wow. Nigerians can now visit South Africa with ease without any stress. All thanks to the president of South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa. Guys, let me tell you this good news. Today, President Cyril Ramaphosa has declared that entry to South Africa is now very easy. You can apply for visa to South Africa if you are a business person that want to visit South Africa, or you are a tourist. You can apply for your visa without your passport. They don't need your passport anymore. To make it very easy for you to enter South Africa, you don't need a passport again. It was said today, this was confirmed today, that Nigerians who are tourists, who are business people that want to visit South Africa can do that without their passport now. They can apply for visas without their passport, and it will be granted without wasting any time. And not only that, he also said that he has approved a 5 years multiple entry visa. Isn't this a good news, guys? This is the time for you to start applying, to start making that move now before they change their mind. And this was said today, like I said, on the opening of the 11th section of the Nigerian South Africa Binational Commission, which happened in Cape Town, and our president was there. Bola Ahmed Tinubu was there. So this is actually a good news to some of us. To some of us that want to visit South Africa, and they've been delaying us long time ago. This is the time now.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robi Masaga. Today I'm diving into yet another hot topic that is causing buzz online. So Nigerians are reacting to the recent announcement that Ramaphosa made about them getting visas even without passport, getting visas to South Africa even without passport. And some of them are even mocking South Africans, and this has got people talking. So the announcement seems to have struck a chord with Nigerians. Many of them have taken to social media to express their opinions. Majority actually they are celebrating about this decision. Some are criticizing, actually a few are criticizing, but many of them celebrating and mocking South Africans, making remarks about how South Africa might be lagging behind in certain areas. But to me, I feel like Nigerians are taking advantage of this to, draw competition with South Africans. Some of them are throwing shades, making it seem like a joke, but I feel like some of them mean what they say, which is wrong. This is not the time to be, making some jokes. This is the time to people come together and try figure whether this decision is a good decision for both countries. Well, let me play for you guys a few videos here of Nigerians reacting on this particular announcement. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this. Yeah, let's watch. Then remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
This is for all you emotional, delusional, and ignorant South Africans that have been coming up online spewing gibberish for months. South Africa and Nigeria just signed a communique from the 11th session of the Nigeria-South Africa Binational Commission. The outcome of this 11th session was to reaffirm the commitment to strengthen existing ties and deeper collaboration between both countries towards a future of shared prosperity, security, and progress for their people. So here you have it. There's no point coming up online, always being emotional and always spreading all these anti-Nigerian sentiment and trying to propagate your false narratives about Nigeria and try to, focus on your negative stereotypes and prejudices against Nigerians. Your government and your president definitely don't echo your sentiments and they don't share your views, and this is why you need to stop coming on social media and just disgracing yourself. And just for your records, all you South Africans that keep supporting this Biafra movement that you know nothing about, the lady pictured in yellow is Bianca Ojukwu. She's wife of the late Chukwuemeka Ojukwu, who led the Biafra, in their unsuccessful attempt and struggle to become, an independent nation. And, she's now in the Nigerian government. You people just, come up and say, oh, support Biafra. You don't know anything about Biafran movement. You don't know the history. You don't know the context. And you just want to support just because of your, hatred for Nigerians and just to spite Nigerians. Anyways, it's about time that South Africans need to be more open-minded, stop being ignorant, and face a lot of hard truths about themselves. Thank you.
Good news, guys, good news. So South African government have just introduced 5 years multiple entry visa for Nigerians. And they even went as far as dropping off passport submission. This is very good. Now, to Nigerians, if you wish to travel to South Africa at this moment, please, when you get to South Africa, respect the law, respect the people. Don't misuse this opportunity. It is not easy for Nigerian government to get South African government to sign a deal like this. Please, as a Nigerian, respect the law while you are in South Africa. These 5 years is enough. This is very good. With 5 years visa, you can go into South Africa and come out. You go in and come out. Nobody will disturb you as long as you're doing the right thing while you're in South Africa there. The South Africans will not come for you. The government will not come for you as long as you abide by the law. Now, some Nigerians will say this is not something to celebrate or South Africa is not that special. Listen, some people are praying for God every day to grant them visa to enter South Africa. All right? And I know that some South Africans are not happy, but we must understand that South Africa and Nigeria need each other diplomatically. And for the sake of the African continent, we need each other as well. So we may not agree on certain things, but sometimes the beauty of diversity is to agree and disagree and still be able to move on. All right, so shout out to the South African government and shout out to our government, Nigerian government, and Mr. President, I thank you for this.
Do you need a passport when you are traveling? Yes. Every single citizen from any country globally needs a passport when they travel to another country. However, whether or not you need to apply for a visa, will get a visa on arrival, or are exempted from a visa, meaning you will get an entry permit, is a different story. Now, as a South African, if I want to travel to, let's say, Lesotho, right, I will get a entry permit, meaning I don't need to apply for a visa. If I want to travel to, let's say, Bali, I will get a visa on arrival. Again, I do not need to apply in advance. I can fly to Bali, get to Bali, and they will do the visa on arrival. However, if I want to travel to the US, I need to apply for a visa in advance, meaning I do the application online. They will request for specific documentation. I will get a reference number. Then I need to do a booking for an interview, go into the US Embassy, do the interview. They will then keep my passport. Once the application has been approved, they will then send my passport with the visa. Now, why am I speaking about this? Yesterday, President Ramaphosa had mentioned that Nigerian citizens do not need a passport when applying for a visa. The presidency's office has communicated that there was miscommunication with regards to that. Number one, you still need a passport. All citizens when traveling need a passport. Two, you need to apply for a visa. The difference now is that the visa application is now online. So they've simplified the visa application. When you do the application online, you still need to submit your passport. However, you need to submit a certified copy of your passport. Once the application has been approved, they will then request for an original hard copy of your passport.
Well, it's very much okay for people to express opinion, for people to joke around, but sometimes I feel it's high time for all of us Africans to come together, for us to create a better environment for all of us. When you see a brother or when you see a sister going through something, don't joke about it. If Nigerians feel like South Africans don't like this decision, what they need to do is sit down together, try figure out what can come out of this decision. There's something better, there's something good that can come out of it. Instead of you trying to throw shades at South Africans, this is creating more problems. That is what I feel. It's creating more problems. This is the time that South Africans, Nigerians should take this decision as an opportunity to create a relationship with South Africans. They should not take advantage for them to start, mocking South Africans. You're mocking someone who is going through pain. South Africans are complaining about unemployment. They are complaining about corruption in their country. They are complaining about illegal immigrants who are selling, unsafe food to their kids. And you people, you've now found something to joke about. It's very wrong. I feel like we should be mature enough right now to understand when someone is in a joking mode or not. All Nigerians who are planning to move to South Africa, you need to abide by the law. Don't just plan and move to South Africa for you to go there and create chaos. And you people are mocking South Africans and you still want to move to South Africa. Does it even make sense to you guys? This is not the time. This is the time for us to come together, to be united. If you feel like South Africans don't like this, because we know they're going through a lot of, significant problems right now. Unemployment, like I said, their kids are suffering there. This is the time for, to take advantage of this decision. Make good out of it, not start mocking them. It's not the best time for you to start mocking South Africans. It's not right. If you're planning to move to South Africa, please make sure you're moving there with good intentions. Don't move there to go and create more problems. That is their country. They want a better country for themselves. We should not be the problem. Foreigners should not be the problems. Even me, I wouldn't like it when a foreigner comes to my country to create problems. I wouldn't like it because you found a peaceful country. Why create problems in my country? There are a few individuals who are doing that. You need to stop and you need to be ashamed of yourself, because sometimes it's not every time that people are in the mood of, laughing or joking around. It's not every time, and this is not the time. Yeah, let me know guys what your thoughts are on the comment section about this particular topic. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. And until next time,